Kejawaharlan Nehru Stadium Shillong kelayok penlong hakasin bendingkong ya kejingnya kun bendingkong jong kan lempung ilekai Indian Oil Durand Cup sis palai pulai kan lempung ilekai football ke berimdo hapok kedoba Asia. Ya kan ke lempung ilekai jong ke Shillong lek lakli bai ba do menteri rang ba kejela kon nak ke sangma ha kejingnya lang play ke iphuh iphieng ba nek si todi. Asyaban Sdang kejingnya kun ke bendingkong ke balong hapdeng ke kenhun najela ke Shillong lajong FC bersaya ke Durand Army Football Club Bandar Nepal. Kini ke stadium keberang sudah senapin bahas wah kini berlumpung ilekai telah kup yang kedua berteman berkentuk yang kamaran pulang mesisha di floodlights bat kijaka syong kinong play football di bedang teman.
Government has also decided that we need to support our different clubs at different levels, and therefore we are going to start a special program where under the government we are going to support different clubs in terms of financial support, and we're starting with football, and as we move along hopefully in other sports and disciplines also it will happen. So we have two categories where we're going to support local clubs. The first one is what we call the elite clubs, which is the I-League and above. Those clubs that make it to the I-League and above, the government will support them with a grant of 2 crores.
Hadu Indriu teli kejingin lekai jong ke Durand Cup kan mahal Shillong, bat kini baru kejingin lekai ke jong ke Group F, kentup yang kekenhun lekai Shillong lajong FC, ke Durand Army Football Club, bagi kenhun lekai ISL kata ke FC Goa, bat ke Hyderabad FC. Kejingin lekai Sdang jong ke Shillong lek, Shillong lajong klub penlim ya ke Durand Army Football Club, ke Shigo Lanor.